In this video, we're going to look at the Arrange This Tray function for J35 and J55 printers. To start, I'm going to go to the Arrange tab on the right side menu, and the only option you will ever have when working with these machines is Arrange This Tray. I'm going to go ahead and click that now with parts loaded onto my build tray. This function allows GrabCAD to reorient my parts and place them on the build tray to optimize print time. So the number one goal will be trying to move parts as close as it can to the center of the circle and reducing overall Z height. There may be examples in which you do not want GrabCAD to reorient your parts, whether that's all parts on the tray or just specific parts. To do that, we're going to come to my prop, and you will see in the next video more details regarding part orientation, but for right now I'm going to quickly flip it over. Move it in a little bit. And what I'm going to do here is on this individual part in the Orient tab, in the top right is this lock icon. If I select that, it will lock the rotation axes on this part. You will also see the indication in the model or the project window with this lock icon. Now if I go back to the Arrange Tray function, back up here real quick, and click it one more time, it will still allow GrabCAD to move the part along the tray surface, but it will not allow it to be rotated like it was the first time.